National Technical University Harkov Polytechnic Institute is one of the oldest and most famous in Ukraine and Eastern Europe. It was opened in 1885 as a practical institute of technology. A famous scientist, Viktor Kirpichov, became its first director. For more than a century, our university has been carrying out a difficult mission, bringing together education, science and manufacture. Namely, thanks to Harkov Polytechnic graduates, T-34, the best tank of the Second World War, huge tractor fleet, powerful turbines for nuclear power plants in Ukraine and abroad, and a lot more wonderful things were created. Globally famous scientists, including Nobel Prize and State Prize winners, many academicians studied and worked at our university. Hundreds and thousands of Harkov Polytechnic graduates made an enormous contribution into the development of national and world science, technology, industry, culture, politics and higher education. Today, our university is a powerful center of education and science. Its 22 faculties are open to all who seek fundamental knowledge and high achievements. 20,000 students receive education in 96 specialties here. I have chosen occupational safety as my specialty because it is an interesting profession, but there are many laws, many different rules that I need to know. I have come to HPE because I believe that the first education for a man must be technical. Harkov Polytechnic is one of the leaders within national and international ratings. More than 200 doctors and professors, about 1,000 philosophy doctors, help students to receive their qualifications. Our students can study in a creative, educational and scientific environment. The university is constantly evolving and developing its opportunities for students. During recent 5 years, we have launched more than 10 new specialties. I was very surprised when I learned that Harkov Polytechnic embraced many disciplines and areas. So now I am a future journalist. Students and teachers of our university are trained within international exchange programs. They visit the best universities and other academic institutions around the world. University is implementing its own system of employment, which provides about 95% of graduates with work according to their specialty.
Здесь куется.
Here, the branch science is forged by our departments. Laboratory projects are conducted. Our students are doing practical work here. HPE also maintains close ties with those who left the walls. I have never interrupted relationships with the institution. There are a lot of outstanding engineering projects developed by our scientists at our Polytechnic University. Implemented them at our workplace. Our university is one of the leading scientific centers of Ukraine. 40 worldly famous scientific schools are continuing their development here. We are proud of our academicians and corresponding members of the National Academy of Ukraine and applied research institutions. We employ more than 30 of them. There are also more than 30 Ukraine State Prize winners and honored workers of science and technology. We are currently working on the development of innovative economy. That is, our scientific research is directly aimed at the manufacturing industrial sector. In the scientific laboratories of Harkov Polytechnic, students can acquire all the necessary skills of investigators. Every year, about 5,000 students are involved in the academic research. There are about 2,000 undergraduate and postgraduate students from 40 countries of the world. My name is Paulo da Silva Neto. I study oil and gas in Harkov Polytechnic. I come from Angola. Kemal Navruzov. I come from Turkmenistan. I am a student of electricity and energy faculty of NTU HPE. Harkov Polytechnic has extended wide international activities in academic, scientific, economic and cultural sphere. The university collaborates almost with 100 educational institutions and other organizations which represent 40 countries. Our university is actively involved in international programs. It receives collective and individual grants. Harkov Polytechnic actively takes part in the Bologna process. It is also a reputable member of European Association of Universities. International centers created at the university are working to open new opportunities for students and scientists and to expand their outlook.
Nossa que anda improvisando, bidilas entra nesse mambo. A HPI é o nosso controlo. Estudamos aqui 4 anos depois. Oh, vamos voltar para nossa banda e seremos heróis. Yeah, HPI.
Our university is interesting not only to learn, but also to spend free time. Festivals, exhibitions and presentations, celebrations and competitions. Harkov Polytechnic University abounds in all of these. There are annual festive rituals, initiation into students, a variety of competitions, New Year parties, proms, masters parades. Harkov Polytechnic cares about healthy lifestyle of its students. A modern sports complex provides opportunities for perfect training. Under the guidance of experienced teachers, students attend 30 sports clubs. I love sports very much, and being aware that NTU HPE sports complex is considered the best in Ukraine, I am happy to have known and chosen this university. Sports Camp Polytechnic is another training base. It is located in a picturesque place near Harkov. You can not only build muscle, but also relax here. Our university surprises and amazes. Harkov Polytechnic comprises unique experimental bases of Research Institute Lightning and Ionosphere, the most modern university library in the country, the rarest teaching departments. Convenient location in the city center, a modern material and technical base, computer park, cultural center, sports and recreation complex. Everything above mentioned allows us to develop intellectual and creative abilities of those who want to acquire fundamental